Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy milk in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher. Once you're in-game, search for the sack icon, which is the icon for General Goods Store. Go near it first, and to interact with it, press F on your keyboard. Interact with NPC, and then select the first option from the menu. Like so. So here are all the items you can buy from the general store. Select milk, and then on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called purchase. Click on it. As you can see, it's going to cost me 90 Mora. So go through with the purchase, click on purchase button again, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!